Alright guys, so as you can see, Major just distributed their allocation, and currently you can actually deposit your Major tokens to your exchange. So right in this video guys, I'm gonna take you through the process on how to deposit this to your exchange. So I will cover 3 different exchanges right in this video: the Bitget, Bybit and get.io. So make sure you stick with me to the end of this video. So to do that guys, click on the airdrop menu right here, and this is it. So from here you click on OK and you'll be taken to this menu. So here you are to either deposit this to exchanges, wallet in Telegram, or non-custodial wallet, which is actually gonna open on the listing date. Okay, so right here we are to deposit this to our exchange, because with this you don't need any gas fee to claim this. Okay, so from here make sure you are on the exchange. Okay, so you can see I am on exchanges right now. So I will click on continue here, and here you can see they have OKX, Bitget, Bybit, kucoin, get.io and Mexi. Okay, so right guys, if you're a Nigerian, and I will advise you to avoid the OKX right there. So I'm gonna be starting with the very first one there, which is the Bitget. So like I said before, I will cover Bitget, Bybit and get.io right in this video. So guys, we are gonna be starting with the very first one there, which is Bitget. So you click on Bitget, then continue, and this is what you will see here. They say, do you have a Bitget account? So if you have one, you click on yes, I have. So if you don't have one, you can actually create one. So I believe by this time you should have a verified Bitget account. So the next thing you need to do is to click on yes, I have, and this is it. You can see what they are asking here is your Bitget UID and major deposit address. So to do that, I will go over to the Bitget exchange. Don't forget, we are using the exchange and not the wallet. They have Bitget wallet and the Bitget. Alright, so guys, to locate your major deposit address, click on add funds right here. Okay, so right here you can see the very first one there. They say I have crypto assets. So you pick that, and I'll click on deposit crypto, and this is it. Here you are to use the search bar right here, then search for major, and this is the major right here. You can see they have major points, which is suspended. So this is the major we are depositing. This is it. So I will click on major, and this is it, and the network is on turn. Okay, that one is okay, and this is your deposit address right here. So you click on this particular spot right here, and that is it. I have copied my deposit address, and I'll go back to the major app. Okay, so this is it. You paste the deposit address, and the next thing to get is the UID. So I'll go back to Bitget again, then I will return back to the main menu. So from here guys, you can see these lines right here. So you click on this place, and this is the UID beneath my username. So you can see UID. So you double tap on that spot. You can see once you double tap, your UID will automatically copy. Okay, so I will go back here again. So right now I'll paste the UID, and that is it right here guys. I am not gonna send this because I have other exchange to cover. Okay, so at this point you click on send, and automatically you have successfully deposited your major token to Bitget. So that is the point. That is it for the Bitget. So we are moving to the next one right here, which is Bybit. Okay, so I'll click on Bybit, then continue. Just the same thing we did before. Yes, I have. And here you can see the difference. Here they are asking for Bybit UID, major deposit address, and the memo. So you have to take note of that. Bitget actually asks for just 2 things: UID and the deposit address, while Bybit is asking for 3 things: the memo. So to get that, we'll go over to Bybit right here. Okay, so guys, from the home page right here, you click on deposit here, and this is it. We are going straight to the very last one, the deposit crypto, and this is okay. So what you need to do right here guys, the same thing you did before. Use the search bar and you search for major, and this is major right here. So you tap on it, and boom, tap here. Okay, and this is the notice. Okay, so right here you can see here they have the wallet address, the very first one there. So I will tap on this copy icon right here, copy successfully, and I'll go back to the app again. So that is the deposit address, so I'll paste that. The next thing is my UID, and make sure you are paying attention to this. Don't make any mistake, guys, because any single mistake you will actually lose your major tokens. So don't play with this. So what we just did now is the wallet address. So what I need to take here is the memo. So you can see here tag/memo bracket comment. So you can call it any of these. So this is it. I'll copy again, then go back again. So this is the memo right here. So I'll paste my memo right here, and the next thing is the very first one, which is the UID. So I'll go back to Bybit again. I will return to the main menu, and this is it. So this is the human icon right here, and that is the UID at the bottom of my email address. So I'll double tap, and that is it. Copy successfully. Go back to the major again. So I'll paste my UID, and boom, guys, I am good to go. Don't forget, paste UID where UID is required, and paste the memo where memo is required. These two things are different things, so make sure you are doing this rightly. Don't forget, any single mistake from you, you're actually going to lose everything. So that is it for the Bybit. You click on send, and boom, you are good to go. And the last one right here is the get.io, guys, and I'll click on the get.io. Don't forget the same thing we did before. Yes, I have, and this is it. Here they are asking for the same thing: UID, deposit address, and the memo. So I will go over to the get.io exchange, and this is it. Here we are to look for our deposit address. So I'll click on deposit right here, and on-chain deposit. You can see, take note of their differences right here. This one is on-chain deposit, so I'll click on on-chain deposit. So I will use the search bar and look for major, and this is it. You can see the one at the bottom. So I'll tap on that, and this is the very first thing we see, which is a hint: you must use the destination memo above in your deposit transfer, otherwise it won't be credited. So make sure you pay attention to this. I got it. Okay, so here we are to copy the address. This is our deposit address right here, guys. So you can see this is just the same process, no difference. Okay, so I'll go back and paste my deposit address, and that is it. I'm good to go. So let's go back and get our memo. So this is the memo right here. So I'll copy it, then go back and paste it here. So the next thing there is the UID. So to locate your UID on get.io, go back, do the same thing you did before. Click on the human icon right here, and let's wait for this to load. So right here, guys, to get your UID on get.io, you have to click on this arrow right here. So this is it, and I'll copy it. That is it. Copy successfully. So we go back again, and boom, we are good to go. That is it. That is the process right here on how to deposit your major on Bitget, Bybit, and get.io, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. I strongly believe this video was valuable. You know, I take out my time to do this video. I cover the 3 exchange, which I know a lot of you are using these 3 exchanges right here. So why not support me by giving this video a thumbs up, guys? And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post an update like this, you'll be notified, guys. And don't forget, for early access to updates like this, you can equally join my Telegram channel. I'm gonna leave the link right in the description of this video. Okay, guys, so thank you and see you in my next video. Don't forget, don't make any mistake.